Enti ebenanda bi ayeda bone ama Shatta Wale after say EOCO company for any National Security Council aye Raymond Archer any armed men etusha Shatta Wale so ewo ni fie so mko ready ni fie with guns any ade na the Lamborghini yellow na ewo hodo no omo akofa ni nyina ne say car no stolen cars yes omo akwaje car no efe Wale sam ama Wale so abekasa obedi ho nkomo Raymond Archer so abechiremodi esiye na in this video metumbo ase no madwudwa asem nyina mu nketenkete ama so ate ase no akere wadwene ama me e comment section aha Penyah block media meso ase ni di mo obe like video no and ama subscribe button so be click notification icon press updates na be kere wadwene di ama me e comment section meso so baso no ashi bi na for so enya bi ahwe etubeka ya meju mu ho ene pop up say FBI aw mo USA omu abepiem Ghana aw mba yese o machi coffee boat Shatta Wale ne godfather coffee boat o mbeche wo no any some other big men be ewo Ghana ha no so me nyina ye game boys sound coffee boat money some squad bi no o must come America for na che and now no must come to the sum of $100 million enunti anama omo about that emo mba ye no na mo fro bi e ka so one year you know best of the same feathers fly together in there some beche Shatta Wale godfather the one beche Shatta godfather the any ne son no Shatta na gas no fa ne nko because for sure the Lamborghini ne kra no ye amount for so mo ntiase ye omo ntiase to mo kwa investigation e wa Shatta Wale mu e ma no kwa na Wale ba media be di atemu a e ma Ghana for no in fact o me defend Shatta say we dey mo ye na nya munyai because every for obo ma Shatta ba omo ba ne ba nko mu ko no ho it adding time be say mo play Wale akoto asem ye say Ghana for no be defend Wale le we say back here 3 days ago Anna one of Stone Boys fan ever Twitter one of Stone Boys fan ever TikTok and no make video I watch them say Shatta Wale Lamborghini yellow no asha some can say a rented car ma Wale be dey say o car no ato enye rented but for some weeks you know omo hemu a omo ko ni fi ohun say there be car any hobby e dey one focus and Shatta car ko all rented now or say dey come back
Stone Boy we car Shatta Wale a settings man no never bring dinner tem actually I feel my GD But yeah, they say yellow Lamborghini na Shatta Wale a driver no. Yellow Lamborghini na driver no. Say rented. Na FBI for Ghana abeje Lamborghini no. Once easy as go back to the US because according to investigation no na moa the first time in the US of fraud na inya da Lamborghini no ship Ghana na ebesi Shatta Wale so I was artist or Ghana Ajidinga Cradi, which Lamborghini and Yashe. And I seen a J Lamborghini, Yalidu or J Lamborghini rented. Investigation of who sell Lamborghini be Penyah Ghana. It's been okay said. Or Mama J Lamborghini report back to the US. Shatta Wale rented, the rentier that came. So we posted to on his status. The story, some traumatized, did know some kind of na. Lamborghini now, ya bet by the end of this year, na Rosemary was there and the engine. Yeah, ya bet na settings man.
Wale settings we can or rent e no be dwa num. Ese car na ne dia e no de be ye show ni ade ade ni Lamborghini yellow no or de be ye show any ade ade.
Yo, what up, is your boy Shatta Wale, and it's all about the Ghana reports happening live tonight. The SEC. My Monday right now.
Nobody's boy top at top. Independence Square, Ghana reports. Yo, reports. We they come to Stockholm.
Na yenka bi shemu ene 5th August 2025. Anyone say Wale man Charles never mensa call on Facebook and we keep post and not say Raymond Archer EOCO boss if you go make NDC go out of power next 4 years bringing guns to my house was uncalled for. Raymond Archer EOCO boss send this be kofi 2028 4 years wo na be mu kofi na say udi etuo ni ade ba bi fie die say nyanse bi anim it doesn't make any sense. I was like Wale dey na go sinya bo 30 public because post when there EOCO abem Raymond Archer wom and say EOCO force the umba ofie na say mbo redu fie dey say boni bi akoso ala say etino ka won sem sisi ma won sem mu sisi so ma ye ntin sem na say and was make another post And what you say, EOCO boss, the president of Ghana didn't put you in that office to come and humiliate the citizens of this country. Remember, God no sleep. Remember, me come what I say. Mama, this police is for better to Ghana for Debbie. One for to me now, mother for be share Ghana for any ya. For be my yakayaka dear. Na me carry say nyame or na. God no sleep nyame na. Wale mine. What's my weekend there? Wale, what's my weekend there? Yentiasie papa, yentiasie. Adede ne koso. Later, anyone will say, Remonacha, EOCO boss, also edit press statement about Bontini. The president free EOCO for a buy. Search and retrieval of proceeds of crime from the home of Charles Niama Mensah, aka Shatta. There's another title. In June this year, the Economic and Organized Crime Office, acting on a 2023 request from the Federal Bureau of Investigation into bracket FBI and the United States Justice Department, undertook an operation which led to a lawful search in a home at Trasaco Valley Phase 1 in Accra. The operation, which was undertaken by the Surveillance and Asset Recovery Unit, SARU, of EOCO, led to the discovery and seizure of a 2019 Lamborghini Urus, which the FBI and the Justice Department have tied to the proceeds of the criminal enterprise of one Nana Kwame Amwa, who is currently serving an 86-month sentence for several financial crimes in the USA. That's what we are car no. One Nana Kwame Amwa bi. And a car no every America holiday by even Nana Kwame crown o machina or what sells must send for 86 months. That man can on a real but what did 10 times with a can a wakra trasaku a when a car ababidi. The car was seized from one Charles Niama Mensah, aka Shatta. The officers were professional and civil, and the search and seizure occurred without incident. Niama had pleaded with officers that he did not want the seizure to be made public because the vehicle was a big part of his brand, and that if his supporters saw the vehicle being driven away in the company of EOCO, it would destroy his brand. Yes, sir. It after say FBI, the request every EOCO. As a omunya investigation, go on say can as a can or Ghana na EOCO for so it a key case no on no. Omuza can was a toro hono no. Shatta kas was slow man that can no. Ne brand SM Empire no can di muntu into mine because can di muntu into mine. Can enti or no Ghana ha. It was re. Send the fans go and say EOCO for please for beje kai dey kwa egu no enu ase. Ase egu brand enu ase. Don't know best remu say onu akasa betwi car no aba. Niama was allowed to surrender the vehicle himself, which is currently in the position of EOS or Nuankasa Omotiasie, Emma Nuankasa Edekano, Eba Honoma. It is a standard safety protocol practice for officers of the Surveillance and Asset Recovery Unit to carry weapons whilst on operation for the safety of officers. Yes, Omo Eco operation. Bonibian it is right, it is lawful for them to hold guns, to hold weapons for the safety of the officer. Because say bia okwenkwenka wale atwi tu a ora say nanka omu e de abom ho ban ora say nti boni bia ni boni bia nsom tuo ebeba obi efie. The FBI and the Justice Department intend to send a former mutual legal assistant MLA to the government of Ghana to return the car to the United States as part of Nana Kwame Amwa's $4.7 million restitution. There's a car now. I work on Wale ma Lamborghini no. Nana Kwame Amwa no ewia and otoma Shatta. Ejane wo ma chika ndene very soon they will process the car no and go back. Charles Niama Mensah aka Shatta and a former senior officer of the National Signal Bureau have been assessed as pairs of interest and will be invited by EOCO to assist in further ongoing investigation in the coming days. EOCO may share the final investigation report to the FBI and the Justice Department as part of our ongoing cooperation. Let's say very soon, no, EOCO for better to move fresh at Wale because we the car room called Tamoye. Omo kwache a car no. Following request that FBI at the buyer and EOCO equal far car free Wale akache. But film man kasa we 2 months fresh at say omra me chirin simu. Omra eme chirin simu na after say EOCO for so edit this particular post no ana Wale man ese make another post e Facebook e don't say coming live in a bit just say enche bia obeba live na ga fo nyina e twen say ne Wale ba live a enchire mu be na obeba I no kre Wale e ba live na say na ozi e kasa
God, I don't even know who shipped this car to the country. I don't know who shipped this car to the country. I told you that, but I am a third party to the car. So if you are telling me that the car is for Dubai, I don't know, because the car I buy am $150,000. Oh, Charlie. You see, after this thing, Remacha, I will leave the car for you people. Don't come to my house. Don't come to my house. Make nobody say they invite me. That boy, I buy new Lamborghini. My music, they were the tire. Where this country, did they do me for here? One day, me too, I go wake up, Me too, I go wake up. And we go chop president for this country. One day. Oh, after this matter, Remacha, after this matter, I'll leave this matter for you. Don't even try and say they invite me. Like go be Yama for Ghana. Because this kind of matter where they talk about and you did. I'm okay. For the office, the things you tell me. And listen, that's why I say, you see what I talk? I take my time, make people get the points. The first one I say what? He say if Edu Boy they go down, somebody way they go cut, how come they go down? Edu Boy they go down. So if I know say I won't go down with them, make I tell her. Apart from that, then you come to tell me say the car, if I like, if I'm not taking it, you take me and the car all give FBI because the car, listen, Remonacha told me in his office that the car they shoot somebody for inside, but I know that was I don't know. And bro, that is what scared me. I was like, Chema, if you say they shoot somebody for the car inside, I beg. I don't want to make cause they shoot somebody for the car inside for America. I say, do I know that they shot somebody in the car in America before they brought the car to Ghana? Also, Chema, that one I don't know. If this thing they talk, then I beg. If this matter they talk, no, then I beg. Then let me just leave you to do your investigation because me I don't want any criminal thing around. Hey, Chairman, this one they help me. That is how come. I didn't even drive the car there. I called my drivers, one of my drivers, to drive the car there. Because I tell them, say I want help and make you doing this investigation. Because me I feel say if you do one matter, we hear me they talk. But if you do one matter, we hear me they talk. I beg them, I know they inside. But you see the shooting. That's what Ramonacha you tell me for your office. That's why I hold the Bible. That's why I hold the Bible. That God did there, Ramonacha. That God did there. This is not the talk. My godfather, that God did there. Say they shoot somebody for the car inside. So me, if I don't go show where you do behind the keeping cars, I say, German. If you recent no people come power, I don't want to make my mama can get this thing and talk to Shatta. I don't like it. German, you know how many times Ibrahim mama and mama help me. Hey Charlie. Bro, I know they do politics, so. That's why I want you to say any party they come to power, I they try my best because I don't want to violate the system. You can't fight the system. You can't fight the system. But sometimes we need to let them know that is too much. He tell me for your office say they shoot somebody for the car inside. That be when I surrender. That be when I say, hey, they shoot somebody for the no. Me no find problem. There where I can't know say he say my the documents, the Lamo in document stop. Some guy did a nana mo. I say, Chama, I don't know the person. That me the cars more they buy. The people say where did they ship? And not be them that they can't sell for me. I don't know the person. So that one day I don't know. He say okay fine. They make sure say I will go show them. Listen, another thing. I'll go show them where. We the rent one a cars for if I go show us. Oh, that one me I know the rent car. Even my team wait for they go someplace, did they free rent some few SUVs for some companies. So that one they will go show them. So I even assisted them to go and see some rental because they say they won't just make sure say it, like they do one they give me cars. I say yes. So they go verify the matter. After that one, they go check if them a CID one, some name like that. Where you say, oh, they go check everything, but if anything they will give me free. But that be all. So I even help to show you where we rent our cars. I do wrong here. From my house, you come take car, everything. You never spoke about any nanamwa or something. Why do you want to spread lies into the brains of the people? That's like that nanamwa where you can sell the car for me. So that's why people investigate the thing. Oh, I mean, I'll be smart boy. I'll not be bad boy. Maybe you boy day or office sometimes. Then sometimes one of you just make mistake. See, Shatta Wale be disrespectful. I am never disrespectful. I am just real to the things we are the talk of. I am just truthful. That be my life. Somebody say the truth hurts. So all what are the talk? They say, one, you did not get the vehicle. I did not get a vehicle from that so-called Nana Amwa or Nana Kwame something. It not being inside the car for me. So don't come and give me case. You came to my house because of a Dubois. Now, you change the whole matter, make it go look like right now because you know if you use a Dubois and get the car no. Right now it be from some Nanamwa. Remember, I can't tell me from my house. The team where they say you come out, can't tell me about any Nanamwa. Don't lie to the people. We are tired. Don't lie to the people. I beg you. Charlie. I beg you. Charlie, this thing, you see these people do, you touch my heart. And Mama forget this matter. So say, you go listen this matter and say, but why you go take the car for the boy? That's why you don't tell us say some Nana boy and carry with the shoot him and blah, blah, blah. You can't use the do wine. As I catch your office, where you talk about the do wine matter. Where I say I don't know him. Right now, you say the car, it is stolen car, but they shoot somebody for inside. Where they bring the car come Ghana. So the car did they look for him. Why did they talk this matter for? Why did they talk this matter for? I know they do anything bad to fear anybody for this country. Because I am just a hustler. I am just working hard. I don't know anybody called Nana Akwami Amwa. I'm a third party to that Lamborghini car. Make people get that thing from my head inside. The game where people they play, you write letter, and I don't know where the letter from. They don't go feel right say EOCO, but it be how you won't spread the matter, make the matter look like Shatta Wale they in trouble. You can never. Because on God, I they tell you, maybe people don't fear God he did there. You don't fear God, but God, you know, maybe not be you or your children's children. Number two, EOCO claimed, I say EOCO claimed the vehicle belonged to one Edubuahin. You can't tell me say it be Kwame that Amwa or something Amwa. That be Edubuahin name take come house. So you see that press statement you put, you want to do propaganda, bro. You know be Shatta Wale. Charlie. Hey. And now the story suddenly changed to someone being shot in it. EOCO is on a fishing expedition. Because you see this thing, you don't want spread to Ghanaians. Me I no go by Ghanaians, even no go by Ghanaians. They are tired. Sometimes let's spill out the truth for the people. Today, as I can't write your name, the people go feel right. Let press release. You know this? He say, bro, I say, you see Ghana. If you so, I make they change personal law. If you don't take care, if you make they change EOCO law. Because all the fight they fight me, you were fighting me because of Edubuahin, whom I believe I am not the only person that has seen Edubuahin just once, maybe flash safe. You know the big man we know for this country. So any big man we go get matter now, then me say go arrest somebody. Me alone, Shatta Wale, you put your you like This car, like you won't use this car. And they tell you, say, Chama, you know be the man you own. You put me for this mess for this country. You sick of you are buying new Lamborghini. You sick of you, Richard, Ramonacha, we are buying new Lamborghini. I showed you too much respect in your office, but you really threaten me in your office. You threaten me, say the car, they shoot somebody for inside. That be why I leave the car for you for the office there. That why I'm even make it bring the car. You threaten me, and they tell you, and that thing they traumatize me in my head. Like, you make us shake. Fast forward. I have lawyers in America that I was trying to verify, my lawyer friends. They showed me Carfax. I didn't know. I have all those things, a Carfax. I get them here, accept my lawyer. Carfax, bro. That be this be Carfax. Check them. Carfax, if you put your VIN number for there, where this like your VIN number, if you put for that way, the car be stolen car. You see where this green sign is? You go right and go see red stolen. If you put your chassis number for Carfax, where they check if car be stolen or not stolen. Anybody where you forget this app. Boys where you use car, or if they bring car come to you, take this one check. I go to show you the last time where they ship the car come Ghana. They say the last time when they ship the car come Ghana, they say it be 12/19/2022 from 12/19/2022 from Savannah, GA, and imported to Ghana. From Savannah, GA, and imported to Ghana. Carfax. That's where my lawyer friends from America send me. They say, no, the car no get problem for America. So why they come take them? I say, hey. And I send this to my godfather Tago. I tell him, say, godfather, I beg, tell Remo, say, make he just give me the car, you know, be stolen car. So let me just give you guys a clue. So because Raymond Archer saw that, he couldn't tie me with the Dubois case. Now he's trying to find a problem for me that I know Kwabena. I don't know anybody. I don't know any Kwabena anybody. I be third party to the car. The guy said, they know they Ghana way in car. They say the information they get say in car can't catch Ghana. That guy then they say they arrest him long time. The car is third party. They say they sell for somebody way. The person they know like we sell for somebody. That person say they get some issue of your house, so he want the money, so maybe they sell for him. So it be me. That be the third person who I use that Lamborghini for this country. Come and write press statement like me and somebody they do go. They come now one guy no me they ask and say you know me ana.
So Wale chire mu say oh say EOCO for crowd need their ground no to me say bet ma say EOCO for mra. Just Wale edwana no. Oh bet ma say EOCO for ne mra. O mro de bo adwuma no. Ono Wale so mo den na obetuma me asesa mra no. Just say Wale na o say ka chire mu say o ka no ma chino eno mo bi asini fie. O ka no ko hia onko hobiem. Ena obi aso ema ne ho no ma. Eno achi no ena osaba on Facebook or biem. Ena make people try say, I can't wait to see my baby. They've taken your yellow brother away. So come and let me kiss you, okay? Lamborghini boy. Hashtag Lamborghini boy. Eno posting ne Violet Lamborghini or Lamborghini or Violet and what yellow. It's yellow no. Ena o mo beje edeko. Ana Violet in there. And that's all. It's coming days, you know. EOCO force over invite Shatta to help them in investigation. Nti egusua airtrain Dakra on be fresh Shatta say omra EOCO akachi. Wale is the guy because say hopa the uncle. Na card no be gina enough omunfa onsi hobiem. Say na sem no. E besi akọ. The besi from the better from bia no. Meta no video mu amaso ate ase. Until then, I Penyah Media. Bet ma kire waje na mame. E wo comment section. Agra.